I spy sea creatures. Click on the tiles to reveal.
Is this a sea creature? Is this a sea creature? Is this a sea creature?
How many sea creatures did you get correctly? The jellyfish, shark, whale, octopus, starfish, fish, and turtle. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Hello everybody, it's me Jovi and ECE. Before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to get notified for more videos coming. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how I made this interactive PowerPoint that you can use in teaching little ones like kids in primary or preschool. There are several steps that you can make to do this one, and it's very easy. And I'm going to start with the second slide. But before we proceed with the second slide, make sure you make your title on the first slide, and that is interactive PowerPoint like sea creatures game. So don't forget to do that one, and we'll proceed with the second slide. Okay, just click the second slide, and then make sure you type your instruction over there. Click on the tiles to reveal, but it depends still on your decision of what instructions you're going to make. So in terms of making the boxes, just click insert and go to the shapes and choose whatever shape you would want to add or you would prefer in your game. But I chose the boxes, like the square ones. Just drag it down and make a square. And again, it depends on how many boxes you would want to add. So for this tutorial, I just wanted to add 4 boxes. After making the boxes, just click on the second slide and duplicate it into 4 more slides to make it like this. So for the images that you put there in the slide, you can just get from Google and then copy it and then paste it inside the box. For the first one, put it on the first box. And for the slide number 4, put the second image on the second box. And on the 5th slide, put the third image on the 3rd box, just like this one. But then again, it depends on the topic that you're going to use. But for here, I wanted the sea creatures for the kids to learn. And that's what I did. And at the bottom of the slide, don't forget to put your question for them to answer. And also put the choices there beside it, like the yes or no. And then make sure when you duplicate it, this is included in the slides. Is this a sea creature? Yes or no? Make sure they're all included in the slides that you copied. After those slides that you made, you make another slides for the answers, like 1 correct, 1 try again, and for the last answer, that is the correct with the arrow finish. Just like this one, make sure to put an arrow and then you write down finish. But for the 7th slide, you can put next. And for the number 8 slide, you can put arrow back. To make it even more interesting, we're gonna put a link onto the boxes that you made so that every time they click on the boxes, it will going to reveal the pictures on the next slide that you put. So it depends on what they are going to click, and every time they click it, it will link to the picture that on the next slide. So you do that one by going to the insert and going to the link. And there are 3 choices here, and you choose the action. For this one, you put under mouse click, you put hyperlink to, and then you choose the slide that you want to reveal. And for this one, it's slide number 3. So just go to slide and then slide number 3 and then OK. If you want to play a sound, you can choose whatever sound that you want here and then highlight on the click and then click OK. And do that on the rest of the squares. Click on the link and then action. Click hyperlink to and then choose the slide that you want to reveal. And for this one, it's this fourth slide. Then click OK. So every time they click on the tile, it will reveal the picture. For this third tile, it's for slide number 5. So click slide number 5. Yeah. And then click OK. And the last one. So it will look like this. Yeah. Click link and then hyperlink to, like this one. And you just click the slide and you choose slide number 6. Play sound and then choose whatever sound. And for this one, I chose the chimes. It should look like this. So every time they click the tile, it will reveal the picture on the 3rd slide and on the 4th slide. That's how easy it is. Yes, just like that. And for the answers, you click on the yes box and then put a hyperlink. And if they answer the yes one, it will automatically go to the correct slide. And if you put the link to the no, it will automatically go to the try again slide. Yes, just like this. And they can click the back arrow to go back on the original tiles to try it again. So don't forget to put the link to the choices. And same with this one. Same with the rest of it. You put a link on the yes or no. So every time they answer yes, it will go to the correct slide. And if the answer is no, and they will try again. And on the last part, the last item, you just put correct and then arrow and then finish to go to the next slide. Just like this one. So when they click that, you put it on the last slide, which is like the summary of our game. If they answer it correctly, it will proceed to slide number 10, like this. So if you want a copy of this interactive PowerPoint game that I made, comment down below and put down your email and make sure that I can read it and I will send it to you. Comment down your email and I'll send it to you, okay? Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help other teachers too.